Okay, I did have this planned out. I brought my Canon PowerShot with me, light out of the way, and I forgot the battery, so yeah. Quick little, I guess you'd call it tabletop review on this, my new, or part new CEDC, the C standing for car. So this is going to be permanently in my vehicle. Car everyday carry, CEDC. I saw it down at the hardware store today and I like the look of it. Ultra bright, 400 lumens, 18 ultra bright surface mounted white LEDs. And as you can see there, the chips, not the bubble style. 400 lumen output, impact resistant rubberized finished, 3.7 volt rechargeable long life lithium batteries. Freestanding and folding compact design, strong magnets for secure contact on metal, hook so you can hang it, and red warning flashing LEDs. 3 light modes, full, half and red flashing. Up to 90-degree adjustable tilt, and a USB charging cable supplied. So 1, 2, 6, 12, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 LEDs in the middle and 2 lots of 6 emergency red flashing LEDs. Charge time 6 hours via USB, and run time in bright mode 1.5 hours, run time in dim mode 6 hours. Made in China. USB cable included. Before using work light for the first time, fully charge the battery until green LED indicator lights up. Charge time 6 hours via USB. And that's the back. Sorry about the camera quality, guys. I really wasn't expecting to use my laptop. Alright, let's get this open. Let's hope that the battery does have some charge in it, because I've been at work now 8 hours and I totally forgot to plug it in to charge it. Now, where's my knife? Okay, got my little trusty Leatherman. Leatherman with a cute little blade. Handle it, no problem whatsoever. I'll just do another cut along here. There we go. Scoring cut to just along there, so I can open it in 2 sides like that, because this plastic blister packs, some of them are unbelievably hard to open. So there's the cable, and it's standard USB to micro USB. Warranty card and instruction manual. hanger. So that's all right. It's got two magnets there and there. What I'll do is when I get home tonight, I will test them on the fridge. Actually, I wonder if that's genuine stainless steel. Should be able to see that right there. It works. Okay, so at least we know the magnets are strong. So they work.
Yeah, the 130 comes again.
The radio's been quiet for the last couple of hours. I turn the camera on and they start talking. Sod's law. What is that, Murphy's law? For your safety, features of your multifunction rechargeable work light. Save these instructions. Important safeguards. Operation. Switching the multifunction rechargeable work light on and off. I think that may have something to do with the on and off button. I'm just guessing. Tell you what, let's put those instructions aside and let's just push the button and see what happens. Now I won't face it towards the camera. Jesus. That's why I don't face it towards the camera. Yep, basic function. One click. Hang on. I'll do it like that. So the camera's not blinded. One click. High beam. Second click goes to low. And third click goes to emergency strobe. Which is actually pretty cool. So that's up to 90 degrees there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat. What I will do is I'll turn the lights off and then turn this torch on. Okay. High beam. Actually, it's a flood, it's not a spot. Low beam and strobe, which is not really showing up, but there you have it. And off. High beam, low beam, and strobe. So all in all, it's not too bad. It will definitely do the job in the car, and that's what's important. I bought this at my local Bunnings supermarket, sorry, Bunnings hardware store. I think it was, I've forgotten now. I think it was about $26, something like that. But the good thing, being a torch, flashlight, and I can use this at work, so it becomes a work tool. So it's I can write it off on tax, which is good. So what I'll do is I've still got another 2.5 hours of work left, and there's the USB charger right there. So what I'll do is I'll plug this in and charge it while I'm here at work, The good thing is I also have a USB plug in my car, so I can actually charge this while I'm driving. And there's the little green LED light. So let's plug this in, see what happens. As far as we know, the charges in here at the moment may be quite low, so the output may differ once it's fully charged. So what I'll do is actually I'll use the cable that it came with, just to be on the safe side. Because I have I have 3 torches in my car, but they're like handheld torches. I don't have anything like this. So if I needed to do like change a tire or something like that, it'd be kind of difficult. I would have to balance the flashlight / hand torch. I have to balance it with one hand or rest it on something. At least with this, I can actually just place it down and not worry about it. Okay, we'll put that aside and charge it. Is that showing green already? Yeah, it's showing green already. So it's fully charged, but I will charge it further. Okay people, thanks for watching. So when it comes to ceiling light, it's really annoying. Okay, alright, well yeah, thanks for watching, that's it really. CEDC. What have you got in your car that works like that? Do you have something like that in your car? If not, get one. Alright, leave it for now. See you guys, stay well and stay safe.